Maha was a kind and caring girl who always loved helping others. One day, while playing in the park, she saw a small bird lying injured in the grass. Its wing was hurt and it was trying to fly but couldn't. Feeling sorry for the little bird, Maha gently picked it up, cleaned its wound, and took it home. She made a soft nest for the bird, gave it some seeds and water, and took care of it every day by applying medicine to its wound. After a few days of love and care, the bird became healthy and started chirping happily. One day, Maha opened the cage and the bird flapped its wing and flew into the sky, as if thanking her before disappearing into the air. Maha smiled as she watched it go. A few days later, Maha was walking to school and passed under a big tree. Suddenly, a thick branch of tree began to break, but she didn't notice it. Just as she was about to walk under it, the small bird appeared and started chirping loudly above her head. Surprised, Maha looked up and quickly stepped back. The very next moment, the heavy branch fell exactly where she had been standing. Maha was shocked but soon realized that the bird had saved her life. She looked up and saw the bird flying in the circles above her. At that moment, Maha understood a very important lesson. Kindness is never wasted, and the love and care we give to others always come back to us in some way.